Ever wonder why two contractors on Thumbtack can pay the same $40, $50, $60 for a lead, but only one actually books the job? Well, the secret isn't luck, it's how they play the system. So in this video, we're gonna cover the 3 things you need in order to play the system in your favor. So here's what you're gonna learn. 1, how to set up your profile so the right leads find your business. 2, the follow-up system that closes jobs first. And then 3, the hidden settings and pro strategies to unlock more leads. Now, why should you pay attention? Well, Thumbtack doesn't hand out the top pro badge for looks or just to anybody. It's only given to contractors who apply to 75% of the leads within 4 hours. You got to keep a 4.8 star rating or above. And then it's those who can consistently book jobs from the leads coming in. It's hugely important. So the badge isn't just a little icon on your profile. It's proof that fast responses and solid reviews are going to equal more visibility and more jobs for your business. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to put yourself in that category so you can start winning more work. So let's get right into the video. So the first thing you want to do is optimize your profile. Now you hear this a lot with Google Business Profile and social media, but it matters wherever your online presence is and wherever you show up digitally. So first thing is fill out every field that Thumbtack has to offer, because your profile strength meter matters and it's going to push to compete against those profiles that are going to be higher in the searches on Thumbtack. Second, you want to upload strong visuals. So a 400 by 400 photo, project photos you've done, and they need to be quality and it needs to have a clear description, because if you upload photos that you did for company cam or to satisfy the inspector or anything like that, it's not going to be a great photo for Thumbtack. It needs to be quality photo. Get all the trash out, get people out, pick up your tools, pick up anything out of the way, and show the quality work you've done, especially with the before and after, so people can see. They're not just seeing somebody basically half-assing something, right? They see quality work done. That's going to be huge. And then third thing is collect 10 verified reviews, because for Thumbtack, it's kind of the tipping point for credibility when it comes to reviews there. So you got to work hard and quick to get 10 reviews as quickly as possible on that profile. So if you have people that let's say you close a job from Thumbtack, make sure that they go on there and leave a review there. So that way you're getting more jobs from there. So especially if you're early in business, right? Maybe you're not doing local service ads. Maybe you don't have the money to do paid ads yet. But you're having to get leads this way. This is the way to actually do it, because contractors with 10 plus reviews, 4.8 star rating, right, qualify for the top pro, which is going to push them more in searches and get you more leads for your business. All right, the second way to play the system to your favor is you got to respond faster than everybody else. Now, customers who usually message, when they get a message, right, they reach out, they usually are going to reach out to 3 or 5 contractors all at one time, because they're just trying to get they're kind of like, who's going to respond first, right? They look at all the strong profiles, they're like, let's try these people. And because I want an answer right now because I'm reaching out. So whoever responds first is often going to win, even if their price is higher. Okay, think that in mind. So use a quick template inside of Thumbtack, and what you want to do is essentially you want to 1, reply an app quickly. Okay, 2, text immediately, and then call within 1 to 2 hours. Now, it's almost worth it to either have someone that you can hire to do this. And if you can't, the priority for you is to get a notification as fast as possible. And it doesn't matter if you're in the middle of a job or whatever you're doing, stop what you're doing and at least get a response, give them a text back, and then tell them an expectation when you're going to call back, right? Because that's hugely important, even if you're in the middle of a job doing something else, and especially if you're early on starting out as a contractor. Now, bigger companies who, yes, use Thumbtack and things like Angie's and stuff, they will use this system to their advantage because they have somebody who can do all of these things, and they have the cash flow to pay somebody to be able to follow up with these leads quickly. So just keep that in mind. You may be competing with bigger companies. You're using this to scale and get a few more jobs in a month. So for you, even as a smaller company, make sure you do that. Now, why is this important? Because if you want to get that top row badge, 75% of your replies have to be within 4 hours. So keep that in mind. When you're using this platform, you're trying to respond faster than everybody else, and you're trying to rank up to get more leads in Thumbtack. And the third way to game the system in your favor is to use smart settings and strategies. Now, first thing is you want to adjust your max lead price. So Thumbtack's leads can run anywhere from $15 to 85 plus, but you can control your ceilings. So don't go out of reach of what you can actually do. Make sure you control your max lead price that you can afford. Okay. Next, check your opportunity tabs for extra jobs. These are customers who are proactive, that you can proactively pitch, even if they don't directly match the filters that you have in place, right? So look at opportunities of people that are looking for jobs similar in your market or industry, and still reach out to them. There may be something you can do to help them. Once again, it's just another way, another outreach, another way to generate more leads for your business. And of course, always push for the top pro status. Once again, this goes back to a 4.8 rating, fast replies, doing a background check, which you should do. You do this with Google as well, and then 5+ reviews in 12 months. So make sure that you are constantly working towards that, because top pros get more visibility plus exclusive marketing perks that happen. So a lot of times you can get invited to workshop or other things that Thumbtack offer that can help get you more leads or raise the status of your company so more people will see you as a professional or as the go-to and reach out to your business first. Now you know how to unlock Thumbtack for faster leads. But here's the thing, Thumbtack is just one channel. It's one way to get more business. The real money comes when you actually build a system that follows up on every lead across Thumbtack, Google, and Facebook. So if you check the video on the screen below, we'll walk you through how to build that system so you're never leaving money on the table.